How to log in into HDFC Bank Netbanking account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let's head over to Safari. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for HDFC Bank Netbanking account online. It will land you on this page. You have to head over to the very first site, HDFC Bank Netbanking. You will be landing on the page where you will be able to log into your account. In here you can see it says log into net banking. First of all, you have to enter your customer ID or your user ID. But if you have forgotten your customer ID, then all you want to do is click on forgot customer ID. After that, you have to follow the on-screen process and then you'll be able to recover it. Once you have recovered, enter the customer ID in here and then click on continue. After that, you have to enter the password of your account and then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be successfully logged into your specific account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your HDFC Bank Netbanking account online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.